So by now I'm sure you've heard about the new Venture X from Capital One and have been wondering whether or not you should get it. Or you just got the card and want to understand the benefit. Whichever it is, by the end of this video, you'll know if you should get or keep the Venture X. Let's hop in. Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Guy, and on this channel, we give you the tools and techniques you need to plan your dream vacation on any budget. Subscribe now so you don't miss any of the budget travel tips. Okay, today we're reviewing the Capital One Venture X, and like you, I was on the fence about getting this card. In this video, we'll cover who the Venture X is best for, the benefits of having this card, and how it stacks up against similar cards. Let's start off with who this card is for. This one's obvious, and this is for serious travelers. This card is for travelers who want to maximize travel rewards specifically while getting all the benefits we've learned to enjoy from other premium travel cards. This is certainly a premium travel card that complements nicely with several strategies and one card that will likely keep in my wallet for the long term. It's clear when you look at the specs of the card that the Venture X is trying to compete with other premium cards like the Platinum card from American Express and the Chase Sapphire Reserve. What makes this a premium card? Well, let's start with the annual fees for these cards. The Venture X comes in at a whopping $395, which is expensive for anyone. But that fee is a fraction of the Chase Sapphire Reserve coming in at $550 and the Platinum card from American Express costing a whopping $695. One thing I like about the Venture X is how easy it is to use the rebates compared to its competitors to offset that annual fee. So first, the Venture X offers a $300 annual travel credit. This can be used for flights or hotels. The second credit is an annual 10K points, which is worth about $100 each year. With these two rebates alone, you're going to get the full value out of a $395 annual fee right away, and it's almost like they're paying you $5. Now, this is much easier than all the hoops you need to clear for the annual fee of something like the Amex Platinum card. The Venture X also offers benefits that we've become familiar with from these premium cards, such as Priority Pass, which gives you access to 1,300 lounges, global entry, and TSA PreCheck. And if you want to see a video on some of those, I've done that. I'll link it up in the show notes below so you can see what some of those benefits are like. Now, Capital One is also offering access to their new lounges. Their first lounge is located in Dallas-Fort Worth, so that's the one that's available so far. And they're also going to be building out Denver and Washington in 2022. The Venture X also offers several other premium benefits, including no foreign transaction fees, cell phone protection, miles that don't expire, and Hertz President Circle status. No foreign transaction fees and miles that don't exist are kind of the table stakes nowadays, but I'm excited for another opportunity to earn elite status with a top rental car company without having to earn all the loyalty points from spending my cash. This elite status comes with guaranteed rental car updates, the widest selection of cars, and allows you to earn more Hertz reward points with each rental. Now, we've talked about some of the key features that instantly make this card a premium travel credit card with other contenders, but now let's discuss what are some of the unique benefits that are unique to the Venture X. Let's start with the current sign-up bonus, or the early spend bonus. The current offer is 100K bonus miles once you spend 10K on purchases within the first 6 months of account opening. And that's going to equate to about $1,000 in rewards if you just use it for cashback alone. However, it's even more powerful when you consider transferring those points to travel partners and potentially earning significantly more in value. The Venture X also has a vacation rental credit, which allows you to receive up to $200 in cashback in statement credits for vacation rentals charged to your account within the first year. This is a one-time thing, but still super valuable. This card will also give you access to the Capital One Lounge and the Capital One Travel Portal. Now, I won't go into the details about the Travel Portal now, but leave a comment below if you want me to make a video on booking hotels and flights through the portal, as well as when I don't think you should use it. The Venture X is also unique for its points offering. When it comes to the bonus categories, this card is a powerhouse. The Venture X offers 10x miles on hotels and rental cars booked through the Capital One Travel Portal, portal, 5x miles on flights booked through the Capital One travel portal, and 2x miles on all other purchases every day. Now, the Points Guys values these points at 1.8 cents per point, which has recently been upgraded from 1.4 since Capital One has expanded its travel partners and improved their travel transfer ratios to be more favorable. These are now some of the more valuable points on the market today. Earning points is awesome, but we need to talk about how we can use them for trips that we need to plan. Now, the VentureX earns Capital One points that are transferable to 17 airlines and hotels. Two great transfer partners that I'm excited about is British Airways Executive Club, which offers a distance-based chart and has several sweet spots for short distance flights, as well as Etihad Guest, which lets you fly business class each way for just 50,000 miles. I'm already excited to clear that bonus and start booking my summer trips to Europe. So, why did I end up getting this card? Well, for me, it fills a solid gap in my travel credit card strategy. I believe as a rule of thumb that you should always get at least 1.5x on each dollar spent. With this card, I'm going to get at least 2x on each dollar spent. I also think I'm going to be able to cancel my Amex or Chase Sapphire Preferred. I'll also be able to get max value from the 10x and 5x categories. So, should you get this card? And of course, the answer is, it depends. This card is certainly a powerhouse for travel benefits, but it's not an auto-include in every points and miles strategy. I think you should consider this card if you plan to spend at least $300 a year in travel, want to redeem your points for travel specifically, and you want to maximize your rewards from hotel and airline travel spend. Now, I think you should wait on this card if you're already getting many of those premium benefits from another premium travel card, like getting Priority Pass from a Chase Sapphire Preferred, for example. You should wait if you're taking up a 524 spot for Chase, and if you're not able to clear the 10K sign-up bonus within that first 6 months. Overall, I think the VentureX is an amazing travel credit card and a powerhouse when it comes to delivering value. While it comes with a pretty large annual fee, I think it's the lowest of any premium travel credit cards, and it's the easiest one to make that fee back in value. Now, I want to hear from you guys. Will you be picking up this card? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're thinking about getting this card and you want to help out the channel, consider using my link. It's free to you and it helps me continue to bring out more content like this. And if you'd like to see my favorite travel credit cards, check out this custom playlist where I talk about just that and what's my favorite cards right now.